Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. So I am going to explain about parallel mate in standard mates. I am going to show you parallel mate with face, parallel mates with planes. So I am going to insert one nut. So I am going to insert bolt. See here. So initially I am going to apply concentric for better understanding. See here. So after that, when we see this bolt head, it is rotating. See, one way is that we can arrest this rotation with coincidence if two faces are exactly matching. If it is not matching exactly, see, when I put it in front here, so when we see from top plane, if these two faces matches exactly, we can give coincidence. If two faces are not exactly not matching, then we have to go with parallel mate. So here we have to select parallel and select two faces. See, when we say OK and see from the top view, see, it is exactly matching. This face is exactly matching to the bolt face. So this is one method. Now I am going to suppress this parallel mate. And also concentric. See here, I am moving this bolt aside. Now if I apply parallel mate with the planes, see, this nut front plane, and bolt front plane. Now it is exactly aligned. See, when we see from the top plane, these two faces are exactly aligned. These two are parallel. See here. See, even if I move down, it is exactly parallel. It's not a, so the rotational movement is arrested. So we can use two planes for arresting the rotational moment of the bolt and nut. Now I am going to show you one more option with edge. So I am going to select. So I am going to fix this component. See here. I am going to select this parallel mate and select these two edges. See here. And select these two edges once again. And select parallel. See, now these two faces are exactly parallel to each other. So we can use edges as well as face and planes in parallel mate. Thanks for watching.